Hey guys, good evening to you. Thank you so much for joining in short notice. Rajendra sir also said he would be joining, so we'll just give him a few minutes. Guys, you all can see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Yes, we can see.
Okay, great. We'll wait for Rajendra sir. First of all, thank you so much, guys, actually, for the participation in the group. Sorry if I'm trying to be critic or something. Just looking for more people to understand the logic. I've heard from some that they do want to understand the logic, but they do have some confusions or questions. So just want to use our WhatsApp group mainly, right, to understand more about SG logic, rather than like sharing what trades we are taking. Some people even message and asking like, can you please share your trade? Are you still holding? Are you still exiting? All those things, right? That and all. That's our own risk appetite, correct? I see that Rajendra sir has joined. To connect to audio.
Executive.
Rajendra sir, can you hear me? I see that. I think you need to. Sorry, guys. Let me call.
Hi, Dinesh.
Hi.
I'm asking there is a small thing. A lot of people were confused today. or I think yesterday also someone. So it's like when we are tracking.
Your voice is not audible. It's breaking for me.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, please, please. You are saying?
Okay, so yes, so when people like we are doing intraday, okay? So we are taking intraday as J levels. So that has to be tracked through futures index, right? Future values, right?
Okay, yeah.
So but for the positional one, it is not dependent on the future. Is my understanding correct or is it?
Okay, so normally, right, for positional one, we would be, sir would be giving levels on spot only. But during May expiry, actually, for the last week, he was giving it in futures also. So the concept is intraday, we have to see futures, positional, we have to see spot. But if
Okay.
maybe if there is a huge difference in the premium, right, maybe sir may be
Mm-hmm.
giving it in futures also. But if he is giving
Okay.
if he is giving position in futures, he would mention in tweet also that don't check
Okay.
spot or just check the futures. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Because
So
I think I
yeah.
was confused and few people were also confused because of this, I think.
Okay. Okay. No worries. No worries. Sir. That's why when I share it in WhatsApp also, I will clearly mention spot or future because sometimes
Yes,
we
yes.
may give spot, sometimes we may give future, right? So I don't want people to get confused. So I will mention it clearly.
Yes,
Okay.
thank you.
Okay. All right, guys. I think
Uh,
Sir has joined. Okay. So thank you so much, everyone, for joining. 20 people. It is very good in such a short notice, even though our group has only 40 plus. Thanks, everyone. So that shows that, you guys are like really showing interest in SG Logic. So today I've sent a message in WhatsApp asking you all to check the tweet which has been shared by Sir, right? Uh, 1 second. Let me pull that. Okay, so the tweet is basically this. I asked you guys to go through the tweet and also the chart to see like what is your understanding and all those things. So many people have came out with very good answers. Some people I see that they are confused. So like I said, there is no right or wrong answer. So we are here only for learning to have better and better understanding of SG logic every day. Okay, so what Sir has tweeted, right? He has mentioned 315. Okay, this is hourly candle spot. Okay, so basically this is positional. He has mentioned, he has also mentioned it is spot, so he is not sharing anything in futures. Okay, the closing level was at 35,350 and 15,576 for Nifty. Okay, the positional SSG level is 35,326. Basically 315 hourly candle closed above our SSG, above our SG level also, and the RSI is at 57. Okay, so Nifty, if you have seen, also same. So the spot closing was at 15,576. The positional SSG was at 15,538. So basically the hourly candle closed above SSG and SG. So as per our SG logic, if SSG level is above SG, it means market is bullish and we can buy CE. if this level, let's say that, if it is below the positional SG level, let's assume that SG level is 35,600 spot, and now the closing was at 35,350, which means that the spot closing, right, is actually below SG level, indicating that market is in bearish. Okay, so now we
Can you repeat that again?
okay.
Sorry, could you repeat that again?
Okay, so as per this closing, right, we are in bullish because this is the spot closing, okay, which is above SSG level and which is above SG level also. Okay, so as long as SSG level is above SG, it means market is bullish. So we can buy CE either at SSG level or SG level. So this will be our ideal entry point. Okay, so we shouldn't try to buy it just because, for example, if a gap up opening and this is the position of SSG, so you don't buy it if it is 15,600. Don't buy there, because any gap up or gap down or something like that, definitely there will be a retracement, pullback, everything will be happening. So if we get this level, then you can buy. All right. So he has shared both positional chart and intraday chart. Guys, for SG Logic, we follow only four time frames. Okay, one is for intraday, we will be following 5 minutes candle. For positional, which is for 4 to 5 days, we will follow 1 hour candle. For day candle, which is basically for a long term, let's say it's 2 months or something like that, we will be following a daily candle. All right. Then another one is weekly candle. That one we can ignore. For this discussion, we will just focus only on the intraday and positional, which is 5 minutes and 1 hour. Okay, yes, shared 4 charts. Okay, if you can see here, this is basically Bank Nifty. 1 second, let me try to minimize. Okay, okay, this is Bank Nifty chart. Okay, this is a hourly chart. Okay, so what you see here, this thin line, right? Basically, this is our positional SSG, which is 35,343. Okay. Okay, so our positional SSG is at, let's say it's 35,326 here. Okay. Okay, you see here, this is the first thin line, this is white line, this is the positional SSG level. The second white line here, which is the positional SG level. Okay, so we started our hourly candle here. You can see no hourly candle today closed below positional SSG level. Okay, so none of the hourly candle closed below positional SSG or SG level, indicating that positionally, that is maybe for the next 3 or 4 days or 5 days, we are still in bullish trend. Okay, another indicator, if you see over here also, which is the super trend, it is clearly giving a buy signal. Okay, Vikram, just 1 second. Okay, I will get back to you. I saw you have raised. Okay, let me finish this explanation, then probably you can ask your questions. Okay. Okay, so the super trend is clearly giving buy signal, and if you check the RSI also, all right, let's see from here today. Okay, only in the morning, right, after the gap up, when there was a selling coming in, came in, the RSI went below. After that, it was hovering around 60 plus range. Still the super trend is in buy zone. Okay, so somewhere around 57 to 60 plus we were there. Okay, which is as per our SG logic, if the super trend gives you buy signal and if RSI is above 60, there is a clear indication of bullish. Okay, so we can go for call. This is positional level. Now let us see this intraday chart. Okay, what you see here is the 5 minutes chart, right? Okay, you see over here, okay, we have opened here, we had a gap up. Even then market was at the super trend is showing giving buy signal. The RSI is also above 60. Okay, after I believe it's around 9:30 or 9:40 level, you see that super trend has changed. Okay, it started to give sell signal, and if you see over here, RSI has quickly dropped. Okay, and it went below 40 levels basically. So RSI, I mean super trend giving sell signal, RSI below 40, that means we have to be in put position. All right, so what happened exactly today, right? Market after opening gap up, uh, we made a top daily, I mean today's day's high. Then after that selling came in. Okay, then the trend changed. Okay, this is intraday. Intraday started in bullish mode, but then after a few, I think after 5 minutes candle, immediately the trend changed, market went down. Okay, see here, intraday only the trend changed from bullishness to bearishness. However, our positional chart, right, it was still showing, it was completely in bullish mode only. Okay, so so this is the time where we are supposed to have our entry for put. Okay, so first, once this thing happened, right, intraday, when the market started, it would be SSG should be above SG. Okay, then immediately when trend change, right, as the price, I mean the index, right, would break down SG level, showing that bearishness has started for intraday. Then after that crossover will done. So when I mean crossover, initially SSG would be above SG, which means it is a buy signal. I mean, it is for call. Okay, now at this point of time, after breaking support, crossover would have been done. So now SSG would be below SG levels. Okay, so that is what happened. Then after that, market was sideways, and even at 12 o'clock, around 12 o'clock, we made bottom. Then after that, slowly the RSI level was also moving up. Okay, so if you have observed what I shared in WhatsApp and also in Twitter, that the first level we have to see is around 35,540 in futures. If that breaks, then we can see uptrend. So what happened was around half an hour, it did break the resistance. Then after that, super trend has changed. If you see over here, the resistance level also has given 60 plus. So which means we have a clear buy indication. Okay. So around here, we were holding CE. We made entry around 80 rupees, if I'm not wrong. So it traded around 100, 115. Then again, again at this level, unexpected selling came in. Then quickly within next 5-10 minutes, okay, we shifted down. Okay, about 200 points. Bank Nifty dropped, and you can see here immediately super trend has also changed, and RSA also came below 40. Then after that, sideways consolidation. All right. So intraday, this is where we have closed. Okay, but what we can see from here, right? Positionally, no candle closed up below SSG level, positional SSG level in 60 minutes, which is a very good sign for us if we are holding any positional CE, meaning that if we had taken June 10 expiry call, June 10 expiry call at today's low, you have entered at the perfect position near positional SSG level. All right. And our RSI also, it has closed around 57. So which clearly indicates that tomorrow chances of up move is there, as long as we see super trend in buy, and if resistance cross above 60, we can expect good up moves. Okay, this is for Bank Nifty. What happened for Nifty, right? If you see over here, same thing has happened. If you have followed Sir's tweet, I think around 9:30 or 9:40, he has mentioned that he has taken 15,600 PE call. Okay, I believe he would have made his entry somewhere around here, because super trend has given an indication, and clearly the RSA was going down. So I believe he would have added few lots. Okay, so then Nifty has made Nifty had a sell off. Actually, it came down also. You see that RSA is also below 40. So around here, I believe he would have closed it. Okay, I will show his tweet. Okay, you can see the timing. Okay, he has mentioned very contrary. Okay, we bought Nifty 15,600 PE at 70 with stop loss of 48. All right. This went above 125, if I'm not wrong, but I think he has closed it at 95. Okay, the reason I believe that, sir, if as you're there, you can correct me also. He has mentioned that he has bought only in Nifty, but not in Bank Nifty. Maybe because I think by the time when he bought, Bank Nifty was already might be near the it didn't give a clear breakdown sign. But when market opened, he has also bought Bank Nifty around 130, if I'm not wrong, 36,000, and he sold it at 177, which is what he has mentioned here. All right. Then it went till 190. Then he also mentioned that Bank Nifty, he made a profit booking. Then he will buy again if it is trading near intraday SSG level. That's what he mentioned. But what happened was we didn't have that opportunity because breakdown happened, and the market from bullish, it made for intraday, it turned into bearish signal. So so he wasn't buying. Then around 12:30, if I'm not wrong, he has tweeted that now from the lows we can have up moves. So he has also mentioned that he bought at 80 or 85 levels, 36,000, and he has also mentioned that this 35,540 is important level, because this acted as resistance even yesterday also, and it is acting as resistance today also. So once this level has been taken out with good volumes, we can expect some good up moves, which happened. But unfortunately for us, as the sell-off happened, the market came down. But good thing, right, which is a very, very good thing, right, is even at our closing, none of the candle, no hourly candle closed below our super SSG or SG, which is a strong indication that we may see up moves tomorrow. All right. So main thing which we have to note here, right, is the super trend. Sometimes super trend may give you buy signal, but if the RSI is below, right, you have to ensure that after RSI above 60, that is your proper entry. All right. Super trend in giving buy signal, RSI above 60. If super trend is giving you sell signal, RSI has to be below 40. See, you can even take small quantity because this is contra trade, okay? And we are thinking that, okay, even if there is a sell-off happening or even if there's a correction, because our positional SG level is still bullish, we can take a contra trade of PE towards positional SSG level as our maybe our final target, okay? So that is what happened today when Sir took the contra trade of Nifty 15,600 PE. Immediately market fell down also, so he made good profits. Then after consolidation, you see that here here that the resistance is going above, so we could have expected some up move. So we made small position of CE 36,000 at 80 rupees. So this is what happened. Okay, this is the entire logic behind what has happened, right, in charts. Okay, some people have asked, okay, I'll just go through the messages over here.
Dinesh bhai,
Yeah, please, sir.
1 minute, 1 minute. Hello everyone.
Hi, sir. Hi, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello,
Hi,
sir.
sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, is it better in Hindi or English?
English.
English.
कुछ भी चलेगा सर.
कुछ भी चलेगा. चाय भी चलेगा, दही भी चलेगा, दूध भी चलेगा. चलो anyway.
सब कुछ चलेगा सर. सीखना है सर.
Dinesh bhai, please give me the hourly chart. What you are showing there.
Okay, sir. Bank Nifty. There you go, sir.
Moves a bit right side, left side. More.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay now. Now look at this chart. You have to give fresh chart. It is old one chart. This is not fresh.
This is what you have shared, sir.
Any chart, but this is showing only 4 hourly candles. Today I post that 315 candle.
Oh, sorry. You're right.
No, I know that what is happening.
Okay, sir. Here you go, sir.
The main concept is our SG level is 2 parts are there. One is 5 minute and second is 60 minute. And Mr. Dinesh told very well and very nicely everything, every part. Now the logic, look at the logic. 2 days back on Friday, take on person Friday, yes. How the candle market going down and all candles closing at same level. 2 hammers are there, then 1 doji is there, 1 inverter hammer is there, but all candles are closing at perfect level, and that was our super SSG level. The super SG level means SSG level was there. Now the level came up within 2 days, and today also all candles from upside coming downside. Now the main important point for us for proper breakout, tomorrow first candle must have to close above 35,600. If that happen, RSI may be above 60, and then up move will start for 1 day. So this hourly chart is very, very important to see what is the trend of market, and as per that trend we have to trade in intraday. Now this take the 5-minute chart, please. At morning, why I bought put option? Because the RSI, look at the RSI from down to going up, and that after one candle, I see that there is a big difference between price and positional SSG. So it should be correction, first thing. Then intraday SG and SSG was far away. So I was thinking that market will go down to intraday SG level. But look at third or fourth candle upside. Is first two candle zigzag, then fifth candle is red candle, and that's showing me bearishness. And that time I bought put, and that came down. Actually, as per this chart, we have to buy call at SG level or SSG level. But this first red candle, this big this candle break intraday SG level and SSG level also, close below that level. So there is no any question to buy call. We need this candle to cover up, but not able, and market came down. After came down market, exactly at taken support SSG level. I was already input, so not necessary to see the RSI because I bought it on the top market. So properly breakdown we get, and market came down. Then we have to profit book because it is contra as per the positional SSG level, and it is right as per the now 5-minute chart. So at SSG level, we have to book that our put option call, the put option position. Then 2 hours, 2 candles closing above the SSG level, and everything is happening properly. Few stocks going up, few stocks coming down, and the levels are changing. Now look at the RSI, same at the cursor. The price is same. First price within 15 minutes back, but RSI is not going down. It is called RSI. What is word there, Mr. Dinesh? This oranges. What is word for this? Price go below, but RSI not go below. And that time I bought this call option.
Correct, sir. When it was in sideways.
No, sideways no. 2 days back you told me that when price goes up, we earn first price and RSI is not going up. RSI is below first one RSI.
Yes, sir.
There is a pattern name RSI. This
Divergence.
something is there.
RSI divergence.
Yeah. That happened here, I think, in 5-minute chart. So I bought their call, and then market went up.
Okay, so
So-
you need to say this one, the RSI divergence here.
Yeah. So
Okay.
what is the main logic in our market, our system is that positional SSG, hourly chart, we observe that chart candles, how every candle is happening. And while trading intraday, we just use hourly candle to observation, not for trade. For the trade, we use 101% this 5-minute candles. Now, my point is over, Mr. Dinesh. Continue. You can
Okay,
continue.
sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay.
Any question about this?
I think we can guys, now you can ask all your questions. Okay. Most of the questions I have tried to answer in WhatsApp itself. So
Yes,
just
sir.
in case if you guys need any questions, please ask me here now. You can ask her also.
Hello, sir. Santosh here, sir.
Yeah. Hello, sir.
Sir, actually, how did you confirm that the price will come near to positional SSG, sir, in the day start? Because the things were, it was ready to move towards 36,000.
Yeah. Correct.
But how can we confirm it, sir, that it must come to near to this positional SSG once and then it may go?
No. If tomorrow and there nothing news about the RBI meeting, then today will not market come down. But to make people some correction, it comes down. When there is a news, look at the ITC chart also. So what is happening in the market and observation, what is talking in the TV and everything, we have to just watch on these levels, watch on this happening. And if when this gap up opening or gap down opening, that time, every time
Okay.
this is happening. So I am telling that every time not to carry, because if market gap up by 100 point, whatever market gap up by 100 point, it retrace near about 50%, that 50 point have to retrace. If
Okay.
market gap up, then 50 point it will come down. If market gap down by 100 point, then it will come up by 50 point. Because
Okay.
there is naturally profit booking in every field.
Yes,
So from 100, it is 2 or 3 cases that that will not come up or come down, but it is 100%. Look at previous day chart also, market gap down, then again up, and then upside. So every day we are getting chance. So today also, when this market went up, then I was planning to that buy put till SG level, and then we will carry it. Then I will buy call. But the fifth candle that in, I think 3, 7, seventh candle close below intraday SG level also.
okay.
So there is no question of buying call.
See there. Yeah. Okay.
That time I confirm that market will retrace to the SSG level. In morning talk, when I talking with Dinesh, that time I told him that there is no question of market to test SSG level today. Yes, Dinesh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Correct. Correct.
In morning we are talking about this, and I told him that today will not test SSG level, but within this 5 candles, they are showing weakness. And so I told everyone that not to trade before 940. That reason is also there. Is it okay, Santosh?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood it.
So every day different situation is there, different thinking is there. So not necessary to come, but within this observation, we can understand that SSG level and the price is far away. Then intraday SSG level, SC level, they are also far away. Then that time we have not to trade anything. If the market comes near now, as per this chart, 5-minute chart, at first 3 candle, we don't have to trade anything. We have to wait till the market come to near intraday SSG level.
Yes,
But
sir.
that candle close below the SG level. So there is no any question to buy call option. When to buy
Okay.
call option? The second candle, or then maybe candle, then thereafter candles to close above that candle, red candle. And if any candle close above that, then there big show this candles. I think 7 number. No, take cursor to the candle, proper candle. Above. Yes, this candle. This candle, if any candle after this candle close above this candle, then we have to buy call option, and then RSI will be from near below 62. I think that time RSI was 57. If candle close above that candle, then RSI will be 62, maybe 62.
Okay.
So this is what is the main logic behind this? Show this hourly candle. Dinesh, hourly chart.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Look at this hourly chart. What is happening here? There, then first candle only. Look at yesterday's RSI, and within this one candle, drag down the RSI by near about 73 to 57. Only one candle.
Yes, sir.
So the RSI logic is that now what will happen? This 5 candles trading below RSI 60. If any one candle was about 60, that will be from down to upside. What happened
Yes.
today? From upside to downside candle is there. Now, tomorrow, what will happen if first candle close above 35,600, the RSI will be 60 or 62. That time, this RSI chart moving from down to upside, and that is very strong. To look at this level, 5 days back, now Thursday, 4 days back. This look at this in morning, RSI from down to up, then again down. No, this one 4 days back.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 24th,
from today's
right?
4 days.
25 or 24th, sir?
No, they I can
23rd.
see.
Sorry, here. Got it, sir. 27th.
Yeah, this one here, correct. Look at the first candle, red candle, second candle also green candle, then third candle, change the RSI logic and RSI went up to 60. And this moment is, look at this moment. Tomorrow, this type of movement possible.
Okay.
Just required one candle to close above 60 RSI.
Okay.
Is it okay, everyone? I think there are 20 persons.
Yeah. I mean, many has questions.
Yeah.
Also. Guys, in 5 minutes, if the call ends, right, please connect back with using the same ID and password. Okay. Okay, guys,
Sure, bro.
who has next question? Please go ahead.
Hello.
Guys.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Yes, sir. Tell me. Yeah, Vishnu here, sir. Vishnu.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
Vishnu.
Hi, Vishnu sir.
Sir.
Any question you have?
No, sir. No, not that.
Okay, thank you, sir. Dinesh, you may continue now.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Okay, Sushil bro, are you there in the call?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, bro. All right. Okay. So for that, actually, you have mentioned, right, there is a difference between SSG and SG, which is 200 points, which is actually good because normally, right, if the difference between SSG and SG is going down, that is also showing weakness. Okay. So the difference between SG and SSG, which is good actually on for a long side or like even if it is an opposite side also, right? It is good. So the RSI closing was about 57, which is just around 60, which is perfectly nice. So tomorrow, like what sir has explained now, if any candle, right, if close above 60, we can see a stronger momentum coming in, and there are chances for up move. All right. So that's a good
Dinesh
point.
bhai,
Yes, sir.
Dinesh bhai,
Yes, sir.
Sushil
Yes.
sir also improving like you. Yeah. Sushil sir also Sushil sir also frequently ask me what is the intraday AG level, what is the position AG level,
Okay,
many
sir.
points are there. So this what is my vision that every trader should know about the logic.
Correct,
What
sir. Correct.
what we are trading,
Yes,
what
sir.
we are trading, what we are doing, and self knowledge and self call making.
Correct.
Just in few days after, I will say, I will show that how to find perfect perfect strike price to trade for intraday or positional or expiry day. These things, and how to define the price. When I bought call, now after if Bank Nifty goes up by 200 points,
Okay,
then
sir.
what will be the price of my call? If
Okay,
I
sir.
bought put, if
Hmm.
Bank Nifty goes down by 300 points, then what will be the price of my put option?
Okay, definitely, sir. Definitely, sir. I think
Okay,
many
Sushil,
people are interested in choosing the right strike price and also the entry, right? Correct, sir. It will be really helpful. We can have one session for that.
Till the time it
before,
is about SSG and SG, it is fine. But when you mix Super Trend and RSI, there is one gentleman who wrote a very long message and was with the pros and cons. Now that thing becomes so confusing, and then how do you decide on all those things? He wrote it brilliantly, but वो कुछ समझा ही नहीं वो क्या लिखा
नहीं
उन्होंने.
उसमें क्या होता है सर सुशील भाई, ये मैं इतना क्लियरली लिखता हूँ ना, इतना सिस्टमेटिक लिखता हूँ ना, मतलब हर एक के ध्यान में आ जाए, जब जिसको जुनून है ना उनके तुरंत ध्यान में आ जाता है. और जब तक एसजी लेवल एसएसजी लेवल का लॉजिक समझ में नहीं आता, तब तक ये कॉल पुट का चक्कर करके फायदा नहीं ना. अगर मैं पहले आपको ऑप्शन स्ट्राइक प्राइस कैसे ढूंढना है, क्या करना है, ये बता दूं, और एसजी लेवल एसएसजी लेवल ध्यान में नहीं बेटा, कैसे ट्रेड चूज करना है, व्हाट इज द ट्रेंड, तो फिर उसका कुछ मतलब नहीं आता ना सर. बराबर है ना? ठीक.
Correct. Absolutely correct, sir.
हाँ, तो पहले देखो, पहले ना हमें रास्ता मालूम होना चाहिए कि वेयर टू गो. फिर वो मिलने के बाद हमको कौन सी गाड़ी में बैठना है हम सोचेंगे ना. अगर मेरे को यहाँ से अमेरिका जाना है तो मेरे को कार की जरूरत नहीं, मेरे को तो प्लेन लगेगा. और मेरे को यहाँ से अगर 2 किलोमीटर जाना है तो आई मे गो बाय वॉकिंग आल्सो.
बराबर, right.
Okay, guys, it's going to disconnect. Please rejoin again using the same ID and password, guys.
Okay.
So we had about 18 when we closed. So now it's about 11. Let's give a minute or two. We should others down.
Dinesh,
Yes.
Dinesh, that gentleman who wrote the pros and cons, if you can take us through that, the pros and cons which has been written by that gentleman,
Yeah, definitely.
because
I'll
what
do
he
it.
wrote was outstanding, but it all went above the head.
Okay, got it. Okay, got it. All right, fine.
Madam, on what basis do you analyze those things? First of all, where do you find those things, and then analyze it and then change your decision from say call to put.
Okay, okay. I think Ashish Bhai wrote that. Actually, his understanding about the logic is also very good. He has joined also. Okay, I will go over there. Okay, so Rajesh bro, actually I've mentioned, right? I understood that you have read the figures wrongly. So as long as SSG is above SG, market is bullish. Okay, we'll go
Yes.
down. Okay, then okay, so this is what Ashish bro has shared, right? Okay, so he has mentioned the cons and all, right? Okay, so he has used SG logic also and also his own understanding. I think this is not 35,000. He meant to say 35,500. There is a typo here on that. Okay. So if you see the OI data, right, I believe you would have taken a look at the OI data also. There was huge call rating happening at 35,500 levels. Even yesterday also, if you have seen, Sir has stated that even yesterday, if you trade about 35,535, if I'm not wrong, we can see upward. So it did happen, but after that we did see some yesterday 35,520. So again, today what happened was we opened a good gap up, then it didn't sustain. Then we went, we saw this low. Then when market tried to retrace back also, right? So 35,500 levels didn't hold. So we could consider that 35,500 level as resistance. So that is what he has mentioned. Okay. Um, so for that, what he's saying that, right? Basically, if we open gap up tomorrow, so now we closed at 35,600, sorry, 35,300 plus, if I'm not wrong. Let's say if Bank Nifty tomorrow open gap up by 300 or 400 points at 35,500 spot, and if it sustains, okay, so all the call rating which happened on 35,500, right? They would be trapped there, and what happens is they need to take cover. So when they take cover, so then what happens is automatically market will move up. So this is what he has mentioned over here. Okay. Over here, the next point you mentioned, right? The strike prices are not going up. Okay, meaning that even when market,
Can I interrupt here before you go to the next point? You said 300 points up, but right now the spot is only kind of 150 point up there. Spot 160 points. Still, it's going to cross 335 500, right?
yeah, but see what
Then
happens.
why do you want 300 points for it to go up? Even if it goes 160 points, we are sorted.
Correct. Many if and but only, right? Correct. Okay, so today, right, where did we open? We opened at 35,700 levels, right?
Dinesh,
Yes, sir.
there is a background music. You have to mute everyone.
Okay,
Just
sir. Okay, sir.
you can talk with Ashish.
Okay, I'm muting all. Okay, whoever wants to talk can unmute themselves. Okay, see, bro, Sushil bro. Okay, so the thing, right? If we open at 35,000 also, right, there are chances that we may fall down also. At the same time, what happened even today was a perfect example. We opened at 35,700 levels that didn't even sustain. So the ideology, right, whatever it is, if we open at 35,000, 35,000, sorry, 35,500 or 35,800, it has to sustain. Okay, let's say maybe like if it sustains for an hour, then short covering will come. People has to, like, whoever has return calls at 35,500, right, they have to cover. If you open at 35,500 and if selling comes, or like people are shorting, if there is a down movement is happening, right, then 35,500 would still act as a resistance, right? That is why I mentioned if you open good gap up and if it is sustained, then there are high chances of short covering to happen. Okay. And the third point
Okay.
just mentioned, right? The 34,500 PE. I believe that when market go down also, he means to say, Ashish bro, please correct me if I'm wrong, as you're there, right? Yeah. Okay. So I think the PE price was not going up. Right. That's what you mean, right? Let's say that he has taken 34,500 PE at 100 rupees. Then market fell 200 points. Maybe the PE might have gone only by 10 points or 20 points. Correct? Is that what you mean, Ashish bro?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah. Okay. Yes.
No, one minute, Dinesh bhai.
Yes, sir.
The another big problem is that strike price are not going up. For example, 34,500 P
Hmm.
means that when market is going up or going down, the strike price of writers changes.
Okay.
They try to sell short high price means 100 rupees to 100 rupees. They are not interested in selling 12 rupees or 13 rupees because they have to carry the position.
Yes, sir.
For
Yes, sir.
intraday, when expiry day, they like to sell low price,
Mm, mm,
but they like to sell short big price.
mm,
So when market is going up, market is bullish,
Mm.
then strike price, open interest, higher open interest should be changed.
Mm.
So that maybe now it is 34,500. So it should be 34,700 or 800 and 35,000. When market is going up,
Mm.
the strike price changes for the
Correct, sir.
writers.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But that is not changing from last 2 days because totally hourly candles are closing within the range.
Okay, sir.
So if range is not changed, then how the strike price will change?
Correct.
Now
sir.
look at us when we are buying call option or put option, our strike price is also same.
Correct, sir.
So we need a, as Dinesh told today a few minutes back that if tomorrow gap up, only by 100 point, not required 300 point or 400 point, only 100 point gap up and stay more than 20 minutes means up to 9:45 above that level, then market will shoot up. This is small thing because that opening 9 big people group are there. They are hurry to trade before market opening. So it is over. Dinesh, this is point to change the strike price.
Correct, sir. And another thing, whatever it is, right? The CE or PE, what I've noticed, right? The VIX, if you have noticed, right? Our VIX level. Sorry, just 1 second. Our VIX in VIX was also right. It was less. So that is another reason why our premium price was not moving much high and up. So for the past week and all, if you have noticed, the VIX was about 20. And we always see that even if there is a good move, the strike price, I mean, the premium price also would be going up and down accordingly. So that was one benefit for writers, basically, right? So even if few 200 points, 300 points move, we will be getting hardly only 10 or 20 points. That's what happened today also with 36,000 CE, 80 to 110 with such a quick move. That is what we have managed to attain. Okay. So the next pros he has mentioned, right? No hourly candle close below SSG. Okay, this is where he is talking about our SSG logic. Okay, which is very valid. So this is something that which is beneficial for us as nothing has closed. Okay, market is still bullish, which is a good sign for us if we are carrying positional PE. Sorry, positional call option. Okay. The next all whatever things he has mentioned, the RBI meeting, right?
Dinesh, one question. Is this Thursday closing call positional call option also?
Thursday.
This Thursday closing
Mhm.
is also called positional call option. When I took this Thursday closing on Friday, the
Okay.
Friday which is gone,
Hmm.
and I took a positional call,
Hmm.
and which ends say day after tomorrow.
Correct.
That why that I did on Friday, that's called positional call today also, right?
I would say no, because as per SG logic, okay, clearly when I came to know, right, as per SG logic, if you are trading as per positional levels, you shouldn't trade, you shouldn't take positions of that particular expiry. It is good you take the next week expiry, or even best if you take monthly expiry for your positional trade, okay? Or if you're taking a trade on Thursday, okay, if you're taking on the following week for positional, it is good. Thursday, Friday, or worst case until Monday, I would say it is still good because we still have 3 days, right? We can still put it as partial positional. But if you are taking today or tomorrow, for June, the June 3rd expiry, right? That is not a positional, that is basically an intraday, right? Because the premium price will just go up and down based on the market movements. So as long as
Yeah,
you,
so I'm saying Friday buying for June 3rd. So that is positional,
if
right?
you have
Friday
bought,
isn't a Friday which is gone.
yeah, if you have bought it Friday, yes, you can take that as yes, correct. But today, right, logically today, as per your positional buying, you didn't see that much up movements in Bank Nifty. Nifty did make movement, but in Bank Nifty didn't, right? As per SG rule, you are supposed to not carry this week's CE. Okay, you can carry next week's CE or monthly CE. This is because if considering that there is only 2 more days for expiry, and if market is volatile, if there is huge down move happen, then you would face a lot of loss. But if you are carrying next week expiry, right, even if there is 200 point 300 point down move, you may lose only 20-30 points, right? Based depends on the strike price which you're carrying, if it is far out of the money, right? So that is why sir has recommended this. Basically our idea, right, whatever you are carrying, even if market goes against, our loss has to be minimum. If you're carrying this week, let's say that you have taken 35,500 CE, maybe if it was trading at 300 rupees, tomorrow if 300 points gap down, okay, you would be seeing that 300 rupees become 100 rupees or 150 rupees, just like that, because 2 days more and the premium will erode so fast. But if you are taken June 10th call, okay, let's say far out of the money 34,000, which was at 150 rupees, for example, even if 300 points go down, that strike price you will see only 20 or 30 rupees only to go down, which is good. I mean, even if you want to exit the trade, you will exit as minimum loss. So I hope I answered, right? Anytime if you feel
Yeah.
it's always safe to carry the next week or monthly.
The only issue with this then carry is that the premium meeting that happens so every day, every hour,
Correct.
too much amount of premium meeting happens, and why the hell should you unnecessarily buy something which is like for 500 rupees?
Correct.
But that's my thinking. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yes, correct. And another thing, right?
I absolutely believe in Raj sir's logic कि आज ही खरीदो, आज ही बेचो, आज का पैसा आज ही, कल कुछ नहीं carry करने का.
Sir, this is our trading pattern, and the trading pattern like Bhajiwala. What does Bhajiwala does? Goes to
Absolutely.
market, goes market at 5 p.m. Bought from bring sabji from the vegetables from the wholesale market, and with intraday he finish it. If at evening some vegetable balance, he distributed freely, because he know that tomorrow is fresh day, fresh vegetable, fresh customer, everything is fresh. And one more thing is that, hello,
Absolutely.
one more thing is
Yeah, yeah,
that,
sir, yeah.
one more thing is that which is very important. Call writers are making money only in positional trade, not in intraday, because when this positional trade goes wrong with public never exit from the loss. So we our gain is from intraday, and writers gain is from positional. Why they are gaining? Because we are losing in positional. And why we are gaining in intraday? Because they are losing. So this is contra system. If we have to make profit, then other have to lose. Intraday.
Here I would want to give an example of Raj sir yesterday's call of Reliance. Yesterday I took Reliance at 2100 CE at 34, but I got out at 37 yesterday. Today it went to 27. I bought again at 27 and got out.
Hello. Sushil bro, I think I cannot hear you.
Sushil
Hello.
that is very best example. That is very best example. What is intraday and what is position? Intraday is very best. Intraday is a very best system to earn money from the option trading. Okay, Dinesh, you may continue.
Okay, guys. Okay, so the next one, right? The question they asked, like whether the SG level and SSG level. Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir.
Go ahead.
सर कल एक है ना कॉल पोजीशन लेके खड़ी कर दी थी और प्रिडिक्शन के हिसाब से वो जो अपना एसजी और एसजी लेवल को देख के की थी और वो जो है सुबह 99 चलेगी 130 से।
हाँ तो वो लोग प्रीमियम खा लेते हैं ना।
बट प्रीमियम में तो अभी सर 3 दिन पड़े थे, सोमवार था, मंगलवार के बाद एक्सपायरी तो अभी बुध और गुरु 3 दिन पड़े थे, लेकिन फिर भी पूरा प्रीमियम डीके हो गया।
हाँ तो दैट इज अ गुड लर्निंग, अभी आगे से नहीं खरीदेंगे भाई पोजिशनल।
No, sir,
हाँ
what is
पैसा चला गया।
इसका
लेकिन
क्या होता
मार्केट
है?
मूवमेंट क्या है कि 200 300 पॉइंट की नहीं था ना, दैट इज वाई अपना इसका डिके हो गया ना प्राइस का।
मतलब एक और मेरा लॉजिक है, ये मेरा लॉजिक है, मतलब इट इज नॉट गिवन बाय राज सर, कि मतलब मैं खरीदता हूँ ना कई बार 120 को, 220 को, 1220 को खरीदता हूँ, मतलब 1215 को वो लोग अच्छा आई थिंक प्रीमियम कटिंग करते हैं। दैट इज माय पर्सनल बिलीफ व्हिच मे नॉट बी ट्रू।
Hello, Dinesh, you may continue now.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. All right. Okay, so this is a very important question they asked, right? Do SG levels and SSG levels shift during market hours? Okay, see, the beauty about SG logic, right? It is very live. As per market movements, actually, the logic changes also. It is not like normally how we see in television or like, you know, sometimes we see many traders, they would be just sharing once that this is where the resistance is. Okay, they would just say the resistance is about 15,700, support is at 15,400. That's all. In between,
Dinesh sir, 1 minute, 1 minute. The question is very best question. This is the in market. Hello.
yes, sir. Please go ahead.
In market, first webinar, I told that why we change this period, because these levels, table levels are before 10 years or 15 years back. That time only day trading and there is no intraday trading and hourly trading. Now, what we do here, our levels are live levels. So your sound is very less now. Hello.
So I can hear you, sir. We all can hear you. Please go ahead, sir.
Yeah, I can hear you, sir. Yeah.
Now look at this our level system. There in market there is pivot level is also that is fixed for full day. Now many people give this intraday levels, support level, resistance level, buy here, sell here. But that is before the market opening. But our main magical thing is that it is changed as per our time frame, time frame of the candle. So this gives us best entry level and very best exit level. Dinesh, now you may continue and mute all the.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'll mute
सर
all.
सबसे बेस्ट स्ट्रेटेजी तो अपना स्टॉक ऑप्शन में ही काम करना ठीक रहता है ना, अकॉर्डिंग टू एसजी लेवल।
सर स्टॉक ऑप्शन बढ़िया है, उसके ऊपर हम शुरू करेंगे कि हाउ टू ट्रेड इन स्टॉक ऑप्शंस एंड फॉर पोजिशनल, just like Reliance and ITC is not in part, but Tata Steel, Bajaj Finance, Maruti, these few stocks are very best stocks, and in that stocks, if you buy that any call or put option in this 10 to 15 rupees, it may be above 100 rupees within 4 to 5 days. So
बिल्कुल सर।
there is a big gain chance in stock options, but that need patience. And patience and that people don't have this type of patience to hold a profitable trade till 5 days. If there is loss, stay there. But if there is profit, if you bought at 35 rupees, and the price is 55 rupees, then you will not carry that trade.
बिकॉज सर एक्चुअली क्या है ना कि जैसे इंडेक्स ऑप्शन में तो क्या होता है वीकली एक्सपायरी होती है, तो उसमें तो टाइम इतना मिल नहीं पाता है। बट ये जो स्टॉक ऑप्शन है उसमें मंथली एक्सपायरी में क्या है 30 डेज के अंदर कभी भी निकल सकते हैं, कम से कम प्रीमियम डीके वाली तो स्थिति नहीं रहती है।
नहीं इसमें भी तो प्रीमियम खाते हैं वो लोग।
नहीं इसमें
लेकिन
कैसे
सर ये इतना
बहुत करना है, इंडेक्स में भी करना है ना सर। तो इंडेक्स में क्या है, आपको पोजिशनल लेवल पे मंथली ऑप्शन करना है, वीकली देखो मत ना आप।
अच्छा
हाँ
वो
वीकली
बहुत
देखो
प्रीमियम हाई पे हाई
वही
होता है बहुत प्रीमियम।
हाँ तो वही तो दिक्कत है ना सर, लोग क्या करते हैं, कम भाव में ज्यादा माल लेने की कोशिश करते हैं।
हम्म, हाँ,
दिनेश,
वो भी है
नेक्स्ट
सर।
पॉइंट,
Sorry, sir.
नेक्स्ट नाउ टाइम इज
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, I will go. Okay, so whatever you follow, I mean, for us, for SG Logic, it is simple. Intraday is 5 minutes and positional is 60 minutes. Okay, don't look at 15 minutes chart. Okay. Then okay, sir has explained that. Okay, this one, right? Naveen bro have asked, right? Entry level is near SSG level. If it comes down, add more at SG level. Correct. This until here it is correct, bro. Okay. Basically, if you see any up move, okay, then if you think that if as per SG logic, if market is bullish, if you are seeing a retracement, you can make an entry near the intraday SSG level. Okay. From there, if you still feel that, I mean, if the market is still coming down and trading somewhere near SG level, but not going below SG level, you can add few more quantities at SG level also. But the stop loss, right? It is not at support level. Stop loss is for intraday. If you're on CE side, if if SG level is trading, if market index is trading below SG level for more than 7 minutes for intraday, you have to exit your call. If positional, if it is trading below positional SG level for more than 90 minutes, you have to exit your call. So basically that is your stop loss. All right. Sir,
हाँ दिनेश भाई, 1 minute.
please, sir.
You explained very well, but one point is there. Many time in our slide is also there. Actually, our stop loss is support level and resistance level as per the system. There
Okay,
is a
sir.
stop loss. We place the stop loss. We need to place stop loss somewhere.
Okay, sir.
Our exit system is different, but we need a stop loss.
Okay,
If there
sir.
is anything unexpected movement, just look at the today's Nifty movement. So we need a stop loss. So what is our system is as SSG level, HG level, and support and resistance.
Correct.
Support level, when we buy a future, then that time we need a stop loss of support level. When we buy short the future, then we need stop
Resistance
loss
level. Stop
of
loss.
resistance level.
Yes, sir.
What this HG level shows us, if any candle close opposite our trade to the HG level, then we have to exit before the stop loss hit.
Correct, sir. Correct, sir.
So by this way, the HG level logic saves our some funds before stop loss hit.
Correct, sir. Correct.
Okay, let's continue.
Yeah, and the exit is not near resistance. Okay. Our exit is nothing but you're talking about the target, right? So the target is definitely as per our risk appetite. Main thing Rajendra sir keep on telling, right, is basically partial buying and partial booking. So like how you buy some quantity near SSG level and some near SG level, same thing for booking also. If you same thing if you want to book those calls also, you can set your own targets. Maybe like if the market is moving 100 points up, maybe that is your first one, you can do partial booking. Okay, because we don't know, we can't say that it is sure shot is going to go up by 500 points, 600 points, we don't know, right? So it is your own risk, your own the stop loss we have it. Okay, and the target is your own target. You can even, if you buy at 100, you can even have it book at 120. Or if the market positionally it is giving positionally, if it is bullish, intraday is also bullish, so which means that we can see some more further move, so you can even book it at 150 rupees also. So in that way, right, you would recover your capital also if you book part booking. Okay, whatever other slots which you have, right, it is just free trade. So whatever you have there is your additional profits. Sorry,
Dinesh bhai.
Yes, sir.
No, yesterday I would just want to add to this. Yes, if correct me if I'm wrong. Yesterday, one gentleman, what his strategy was, he used to keep forwarding his stop loss figure. So
Okay.
if the resistance is at say 150, Okay, and the figure is gone to 170. So what he will do? He will just do the stop loss at 160. When it goes to 180, he'll up his stop loss to 170. The moment it comes down to 170, then automatically his stuff is sold. All the stuff. Yesterday, one person from the group has done that.
Oh, you mean
that
that one is trailing stop loss? That is fine. I mean that their target may be 150. If market is 170, if it is going up, right, they will increase their stop loss
Yeah.
to 170. That is what many people follow. That is also good logic. I won't say no. Okay, so immediately that means they are happy with their stop loss from 150 if their entry. 170 they're keeping it. The market is going to 190. They will push their stop loss to 180. It is good, meaning that for them, even if market from 190 it hits back to 180, they are happy. But if they see from 190, if it goes to 220, then they will immediately adjust from 180 stop loss to 200. So that is trailing stop loss. That is
Yes.
also fine.
1 minute, Dinesh bhai.
Yes, sir.
Dinesh sir, 1 minute. Our SG level logic and our stop loss system and everything is showing that we have to do first partly booking at 33% or 30% profit of the option price,
Okay,
because our stop loss, look at the stop loss level and the
Yes.
valuation and the price difference.
Hmm.
So if you buy at 100 rupees any call option or put option 100 rupees, then you have to book first part at 130, because when the breakout or
Yes.
breakdown does the market,
Hmm.
it takes again retracement.
Yes,
First retracement is compulsory there in the market.
Hmm.
So if you bought any option at 100 rupees and it went to 130 or 125 or 135, whatever this situation, you have to book some first part there. Then market will retrace. The price will come to 105 or 1010, whatever may be.
correct.
So that time again we can buy this option. By this way, our stop loss comes down.
Correct, sir. Correct. So
Correct,
that's what we do, right, sir? We do like multiple tradings also around that time. If it is range bound, especially, right, we keep on doing this trading between 100 to 130 many times. Then when what happens, right, then it will be good for us also. I completely agree with you, sir. With the
And
percentage you mentioned.
one thing is that when looks like market will go very fast up or there is a big movement, that time I specially mentioned that there is big target and whatever different thing I keep, and tomorrow may happen these things.
Yeah,
सर
okay,
एक क्वेश्चन और था सर.
बोले ना सर.
हाँ सर, ये मैंने ये भी कहीं देखा है सर कि ये जो अभी 75% मार्जिन का अभी जो चल रहा है,
हाँ जी.
उसमें ये सेबी की तरफ से ये है कि धीरे धीरे ये ऑप्शन का खेल खत्म हो जाएगा, क्योंकि ये ऑप्शन राइट करने के लिए भी काफी पैसा चाहिएगा, तो धीरे धीरे इसलिए जो है पिछले एक वीक से मार्केट में ये जो प्रीमियम डीके वाला जो चल रहा है,
हाँ जी.
तो ये इसमें भी कोई ये है क्या लॉजिक सेबी की तरफ
नहीं
से
सर.
कि ये 75% मार्जिन?
सुनो ना सर, अपने को क्या करना है, जब तक गाड़ी चली है तब तक बैठना है, गाड़ी बंद होगी तो दूसरी गाड़ी मिलेगी.
हाँ ये तो है ही है सर.
हाँ, तो आपने को कैसे मालूम क्या, बाजार में जो चीज अभी देखो लॉकडाउन में है ना, कितने लोगों की शॉप बंद हो गए, तो लोगों ने क्या किया, भाजी बेचना चालू किया. तो तो भाजी बेचना चालू किया. अभी आज दुकानें खुली होगी तो लोगों ने भाजी की गाड़ी बंद कर दी, अपनी शॉप ओपन कर दी है.
जी जी जी.
तो टाइम्स के हिसाब से हम देखेंगे क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता है, लेकिन लॉजिक और एजी का जो सिस्टम है ना सर, वो कभी बंद नहीं होने वाला जब तक चार्ट सिस्टम चालू है. वो चार्ट सिस्टम मार्केट में कभी बंद होने वाली नहीं है.
जी जी. नहीं,
So now Dinesh bhai.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, SG level works on bitcoins also and other stuff also. It is not only in the share market that it works.
Dinesh bhai.
Yes, sir.
Dinesh sir, I have some meeting, phone call meeting with somebody at 6:45.
Okay.
And I have to leave the meeting because this time is there. And
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Even there is only 10 minutes left. If
Thank you, sir.
I will take it, sir. No worries.
Just can I share my screen also here now?
You want to see show the coal? Is it the oil, crude?
Crude oil chart.
I will share, sir. I will share.
Okay, there is a live chat also. So okay, we show from this
You want me to open?
Dinesh, one question. These screens which are there right now on the screen right now,
Yeah.
where do you get these? Is this some kind of a paid service or something like that where you get the RSI and the
You can even get it in
super?
investing, trading view charts. You can get the super trend.
अच्छा, all these things वहीं पे वो सब में
Yeah,
मिल
yeah,
जाता है ना? I
it is
have
just
that.
an indicator. Like how you choose RSI volumes and all, right? Super trend is also an indicator. That's all.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Please go ahead, sir.
Now, look at this chart. Today intraday chart, totally intraday chart. There is hello.
Your voice is breaking, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Today intraday chart, no any breakdown. Only up move and properly up move. There is no SSG crossover. Every time up move SSG was above SG level. And when I post this chart on Twitter, that time price is 94986. Now the live price is 5 made higher 5021.22.
Okay, sir.
Look at the price difference. So full screen. That time price was 94986. 14 and 22. There is 36 point profit within this 1 hour trade. Now show the hourly candle. Dinesh, hourly candle chart.
Yes, sir.
Look at this hourly candle chart, how the RSI is moving and how at the support level, properly market taking the support. But few days, within one or 2 days, there is some consolidation. Look, count the days. From which day market going
Here.
up, push, count the 4 days, 1, 2, 3, 4 days, then market stop, then again 4 days. Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Dinesh,
Can we say the same thing for Bank Nifty, sir? Almost for the past 3 days, it is almost looks like accumulation is going on.
yeah. So this logic working on crude oil, Bitcoin, everything. Hello.
Yes, sir. Please go ahead, sir.
No, just from this chart, I want to show that SG level logic working everywhere.
Yes, sir.
This
Understood, sir.
positional trade and taking break, just like Bank Nifty took break a few days back. So after 4 days, market took break. Then again 4 days, there is again breakout. So this 2 days break in Bank Nifty shows that this is break. Then tomorrow will be up move. Tomorrow's up move will should long for 4 days, but there is some event in between, and that event will change all the logic.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is
क्वेश्चन करना था.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Even we have used
Rajan,
any
sir.
logic for Bitcoin also.
हेलो
Hello.
राजन सर, विष्णु बोल रहा हूँ.
हाँ जी बोलिए ना
क्वेश्चन
सर.
करना था. निफ्टी तो लाइफ टाइम हाई पे चल रहा है, राइट है.
हाँ जी.
बैंक निफ्टी जो है अभी लाइफ टाइम हाई पे नहीं गया अभी तक फिर से.
ये
ठीक है, बहुत
बैकग्राउंड
नीचे
में
वहाँ
बहुत
से
इसका
भी.
बैकग्राउंड आपकी आवाज समझ में नहीं आ रही सर. बैकग्राउंड बहुत करना पड़ेगा सर.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ सर, निफ्टी जो है लाइफ टाइम हाई से भी ऊपर चल रहा है अभी.
हाँ जी.
हाई पे हाई बना रहा है, लेकिन बैंक निफ्टी जो है लाइफ टाइम हाई पे गया नहीं है.
हाँ जी.
लेकिन उसमें जो स्टॉक जो है वो सब बुलिश है बैंक निफ्टी में, लेकिन वो बैंक निफ्टी आज मूवमेंट गया क्यों नहीं इतना.
नहीं, सुनो ना
मैंने
सर.
देखा निफ्टी 118 पॉइंट ऊपर गया, लेकिन बैंक निफ्टी उतना गया ही नहीं.
सर सुनो ना, हमको क्या करना
हाँ
है,
सर.
हमको क्या करना है, रीजन नहीं ढूंढना है. हमको क्या करना है कि वी हैव टू ट्रेड विथ एसजी लेवल्स ओनली. एसजी लेवल लॉजिक क्या बताता है, मार्केट में बुलिश है, बुलिश करना है, डाउनवर्ड है, डाउनवर्ड करना है. मार्केट हाई पे है, लो पे है, हमको उसका कुछ देना देना नहीं सर. जब मेरे को प्यास लगी है ना, तो मैं जमीन पे हूँ तो पानी पीऊंगा, या पहाड़ी के ऊपर गए तो भी पानी पीऊंगा. जस्ट आई एम थर्स्टी, आई नीड वाटर. तो वैसे है ना सर. देखो अभी काफी चीजें ऐसी होती हैं, लोग मार्केट में सोचते हैं ये ऐसा होगा, वैसा होगा, ये ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए. प्रधानमंत्री ने ये बोला ऐसा हो जाएगा, फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर ये बोला ऐसा हो जाएगा, अमेरिका का बजट ऐसा किया था उन्होंने, ये सारी चीजें ना, ये सब न्यूज इन माइंड है, लेकिन हमारा जो चार्ट है ना, प्राइस एक्शन के ऊपर ध्यान होना चाहिए। हेलो,
यस सर, या ठीक है सर।
प्राइस एक्शन पर ध्यान होना चाहिए। देखो, मैं आपको ये नहीं बोल रहा कि आपने गलत कहा, हर एक चीज सही है, हर एक के आदमी सोचने की ताकत है, हर एक आदमी सोचता है कि ऐसा होना चाहिए चीजें, लेकिन मैंने जो लॉजिक बनाया ना, जो ये जो सारी चीजें चल रही ना, कि प्राइस एक्शन पे पूरा ध्यान होना चाहिए कि चलो ठीक है, निफ्टी ने बैंक निफ्टी में डे हाइस पे जा रही, सब प्रॉपर हाई पे हाई बना रही, लेकिन अगर कुछ कल फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर कुछ उल्टा सुल्टा बोल दिया तो ये उसके आगे भी भाग सकती है, कुछ बोल नहीं सकते ना इसको।
ओके यस सर।
सर एक क्वेश्चन और था कि अपन जो है इसमें हेज पोजीशन भी बना सकते हैं क्या एसजी लेवल के अनुसार?
नहीं, हेज बना सकते हैं, लेकिन हेज पोजीशन कब बनते हैं मालूम है सर? हेज पोजीशन जब बनते हैं जब आपको ट्रेड मालूम नहीं होगा तब। मतलब आप ऊपर जा रहे हैं लेकिन नीचे वाला भी कुछ सौदा लेके बैठते हैं, या नीचे जा रहे हैं तो ऊपर वाला भी सौदा लेते हैं, तो उसको हेज कब बोलते हैं कि मेरे को मालूम नहीं क्या होने वाला है। जैसे मैंने लास्ट टाइम किया था, लास्ट एक्सपायरी को, कि मैंने कॉल भी लिया था और पुट भी लिया था, तो ये सब करना है ना, तो अपने को मैं उसका प्लानिंग कर रहा हूँ, जो 250 के करीब हमको मेजर क्वांटिटी कॉल या बाय पुट किया ना, तो उसका अगेंस्ट हेज करने के लिए स्मॉल क्वांटिटी, फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने अगर 50 लाख निफ्टी के लिए, हेलो,
Yes sir, yes sir.
if I bought 50 lot of Nifty call option or put option, against that I will bought 5 lots of put or option, call option. So if market is not going up in my favor, if that goes wrong, that 5 lot will cover my all loss.
जी
ठीक है ऐसे?
जी बिल्कुल सर।
हाँ, क्योंकि हर दिन नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि हमको ट्रेंड मालूम है ना कहाँ जाने वाली गाड़ी।
हाँ नहीं, कुछ ऐसा हो जैसे कि जैसे बैंक निफ्टी नॉर्मली 400 पॉइंट्स का डेली मूवमेंट देता है, या तो आपको या डाउन में,
हाँ जी,
तो अपन कुछ ऐसा हेज बनाए कि जैसे कहीं पे भी जाए अपन को 400 पॉइंट के हिसाब से कॉल और पुट दोनों लेके सेम स्ट्राइक प्राइस या ऐसा कुछ करके, और जैसे उसमें इस हिसाब
नहीं
से
वैसे पॉसिबल नहीं सर, उसके अंदर काफी लोगों का लॉस होता है, मैंने देखा है लोगों का बहुत बड़ा बड़ा लॉस होता है, बड़ी बड़ी पोजीशन बनाते हैं, 10,000 क्वांटिटी 20,000 क्वांटिटी और पूरा का पूरा लेके डूबते हैं, तो
जी
उसमें क्या होता है,
जैसे
साइडवेज
साइडवेज
उसमें साइडवेज मार्केट चला जाएगा तो प्रीमियम से डिके हो जाएगा।
साइडवेज मार्केट चला जाए, और हमको मालूम है ना सर, देखो एचजी लेवल लॉजिक का यही मेन खासियत है कि आपको बस कहाँ जा रही है वो बता रही है आपको, इसमें बैठना है कि नहीं बैठना। अभी बैठ, मान लो बस, मान लो फॉर एग्जांपल आप ऐसे बोल रहे कि बस का दोनों तरफ मुंह है, मतलब दो नाव में पावर रखना है, तो दो नाव में पावर रखेंगे तो गड़बड़ होने वाली ना।
Okay,
ये
okay.
सही एग्जांपल इसके लिए।
Okay guys, last 2 minutes, any last question?
दिनेश भाई, 2 questions I have.
Yeah, please go
एक
ahead.
तो मैं
No, English.
I'm not in the
Yeah.
I'm not in the WhatsApp group.
Okay.
And second is I missed the second day's meeting. Can I get the video?
Yeah, okay. The second recording, right? Okay, I will share it. Okay, I will upload it in YouTube, then I will share it. And the WhatsApp group, can you please send a hi in Twitter? I will send you the group link.
Okay, fine. I'll do that.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Keep your questions in WhatsApp group.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank
Yeah.
you so much. Thanks everyone for joining. Really appreciate it. If there is any more questions, please keep the discussion open. And in the SG group, we will just discuss only about SG. Whatever news, whatever, whether US market is going up, Asian market going up, that is very, very small factor. We have SG logic. We have to trade according to that. Okay. That may be a small catalyst, but we don't have to worry that, Asian market is green. Today we going to be in green or we going to be in red. We don't have to worry about all those things. We will just go ahead with SG logic. We need to have more understanding on that. Any further questions, please feel free to ask in WhatsApp. Thanks everyone for joining. Really appreciate it. I will also share this recording also, whatever we have passed.
Thank you.
Thank
Dinesh
you.
and Raj. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks everyone. Have a good day, guys.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.